Jai Gurudev students. Today we are going to discuss very important part of chemistry. This is stoichiometry. It consists number of terminologies, number of definitions, many numerical questions, derivation, etc., formulas, etc. So many of the thing comprises what stoichiometry. This is the first period of stoichiometry. Like here we have to discuss very simple thing, atomic mass. Now what is the meaning of atomic mass? Now atomic mass is the number of an element. Okay. Number of an element, that how many times an atom of that element is heavier. That is, here we are comparing, okay, an atom of that element is heavier as atom of carbon atom of carbon element of isotope 12. Actually carbon has two isotopes, so we are comparing with the isotope having atomic mass 12. So here if we have to find the atomic mass of an element, then we have to compare its atomic mass with the atomic mass of carbon element of isotope 12. That is, how many times of that element's atom is heavier as compared to the isotope 12. Okay, usually atomic mass is equal to what we are saying, number of neutron plus number of proton, because the masses of neutron and proton are given in gram. Therefore we can find atomic mass in gram of any of the atom of any of the element. So student, this is our general practice by which we find the atomic mass of any element, because it is very difficult to weigh the atomic mass of an element. Now therefore we are comparing. Similarly, if you find molecular mass, so what is molecular mass? So molecular mass is equal to what? Atomic masses of all atoms, okay, of that molecule. Like atomic mass of an atom, that is nitrogen atom, is what? 14 gram. This is atomic mass. But if you find molecular mass of N2 molecule, now we will use the term here what? N2 molecule. So there are how many atoms? 2 atoms, and each atom have atomic mass what? 14. So will be equal to what? 28 gram. This is called what? Atomic mass or molar mass, na? Gram per mole. It is given by what? Per mole. The molecular mass is given by per mole. So 28 gram per mole. Are you getting? This is about atomic mass of nitrogen atom, na? Or nitrogen element. What we can say? Nitrogen, atomic mass of nitrogen element. So here we are using the term element, na? And for element we are using the term what? Atom. But for molecule we are using the term what? Molecule. So molecular mass of N2 molecule, that is in 1 mole, how many gram will be there? So we are saying 28 gram per mole. Okay. And what about atomic mass? Atomic mass is the sum of number of neutron and number of proton. Are you getting? Now, average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. Student, usually you have seen that atomic masses are not given with exact number, that is whole number. Almost for most of the element it is given with a fraction number. So how these fraction numbers come? Now, like we are saying, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008. Atomic mass of O2 molecule is 15.996. Now how it comes? It comes by average atomic mass. Actually, student, element or exist in many isotopic form. Isotopic form means their atoms are having different atomic mass. So if the same element have different type of isotope, then how do we give the atomic mass of that element? It is not possible. Like here, the chlorine has two isotopes. Isotope having atomic mass 35 and isotope having atomic mass 37. So the which mass we have to use for calculation, it becomes difficult. Therefore, besides of using atomic mass of any one isotope, we are taking the average atomic mass of all the isotope by the formula. So here we are using the formula average atomic mass is equal to percentage of A isotope multiplied by its atomic mass divided by 100 plus percentage of B isotope multiplied by atomic mass of B divided by 100. Like here, suppose chlorine has two isotopes, one is 17 having 35, okay, and it is suppose 75%, and second one is Cl17 and it is 37 and its percentage abundance is 25%. So how do we find average atomic mass? So average atomic mass is equal to 35 multiplied by its abundance 75 divided by 100 plus next one is having atomic mass 37 multiplied by its abundance is 25 divided by 100. If you solve, the answer will come 35.5. So 35.5, it is called the average atomic mass. Stop.